So really exciting for me. Over the past week, I actually went through and calculated the completely correct financial statements for these e-commerce companies. So basically that means, first off, really figuring out the cost of goods sold, getting that accurately built into the statements. That way it's accurate, so you're not just using your inventory purchases as cost of goods sold, because that's not the way you're supposed to do it according to the IRS. And also, one of these businesses, I have a loan, and actually plotting out the amortization schedule of the full loan. So basically, when you actually get that part accurate with how much of a loan you have, what assets versus liabilities, when you actually figure out your cost of goods sold to get your income statement right, then you can see the real numbers of the shareholders' equity, of assets, liabilities, real income, not just guesstimating by looking at cash in the bank and asking, oh, do we have enough cash? Are we okay? Really exciting for me because, when you have financial statements that are kind of sloppy or they're not perfectly put together, or maybe you only have an income statement, that's good for, maybe let's say raising money from friends and family or something because they trust you, and you can say, hey, I'm making money, and it's very obvious that, okay, at least you're making money. But if you really want to raise money from a bank or any kind of institution or venture capital or something, you need the financial statements that are really built out and that actually explain really what's happening. And so I'm super excited because I didn't understand this stuff before, but I'm not looking to raise $1 million now, but and knowing how everything fits together and actually doing it the right way, and now even just doing it myself, it feels super exciting to really be able to look at the numbers and say these are like real numbers, and then being able to build a financial statement that has projections out into the future. And that's really fun because I can look out and say, okay, we have this loan, we're going to amortize this loan over time. Are we going to run out of cash while we're doing this? Yes or no? And that's really exciting too. Be able to not only see what has happened in the past accurately, but also predict into the future, which is the kind of thing that I need to see and the kind of thing that current investors and potential future investors are going to have to see as well.